DJI have just unveiled the teaser trailer for their next product, but with a global pandemic ongoing, is this a great time to launch or an ideal time? Hi, I'm DroningON, and DJI have just revealed the teaser trailer for their next product launch on the 27th of April at 9:30 Eastern Time. You can see our other video for an analysis of that teaser. But in the meantime, with a current global pandemic because of COVID-19, is this a good time to launch a new product? It seems highly unlikely, doesn't it? Many countries are currently on lockdown, quarantined and unable to leave their homes. Take the UK as one example where citizens are allowed out of their homes just once a day to exercise and for no other reason. So flying a drone right now would be pretty much impossible unless they do it indoors, and we all know that that comes with a handful of issues. Of course, on the other hand, it might be an ideal time to release a product which can be used indoors. Now, there were hints or rumours of a new RoboMaster accessory, and that may be the focus of this new launch, but from our analysis, we do think that this is a drone. So why would DJI continue to launch a drone in this current climate? There are a number of fears around the current climate in terms of shipping delays, because most of these products come from China, and therefore, of course, even if you order them, they may take weeks and weeks to arrive. But there is also the fear of contamination from the virus itself. China, of course, was the epicenter of the virus, and so some consumers might be worried about receiving packages, although medical experts have claimed that coronavirus can only survive on hard surfaces for up to 72 hours, and so that's highly unlikely. Now, one positive about the launch of a new product right now is the positive distraction that it will bring. There's been a lot of negative feelings around the whole pandemic, and so, of course, the launch of a new product is perhaps a welcome distraction to cheer people up. On the other hand, the economy is currently crashing, people are losing their jobs, and recession potentially is looming, and so available equity in people's pockets is certainly not plentiful, and therefore do people really have the excess funds to be spending on a product that they don't really need? Economically, it really isn't the best time to releasing a new product, especially if its price range may be between $700 to $900. However, my theory is that DJI need to release this product and to go ahead with the launch as planned. They have postponed product launches in the past, and take the Osmo Action as one example. But on this occasion, DJI have suffered from the economical recession and the virus. Their orders are probably lower, and so therefore perhaps they need the income and the revenue from a new product launch, which will guarantee them pre-orders and immediate revenue. If DJI could have afforded to push this release back, I believe they would have done so. In this current climate, I think that DJI need to go ahead with this, or otherwise risk their own economic sustainability. My feeling is that postponing this launch event would be pointless, because COVID-19 is not going to disappear overnight, and it may not disappear for 6 to 12 months. How far can you push a product launch into the future? Regardless, it's going to be exciting, and it is a welcome distraction from the news of coronavirus. So comment below with your thoughts, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, everyone.